Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, May 24, and the time is around 2:30 a.m. GMT. And today we're going to be looking at the chart of copper. This is a 45 minutes chart here. We can see that we are currently within this wave 2 rally. Okay, and we can see in the subdivision of the rally in copper, which looks like a corrective structure here, right? I mean, this does not look like a five waves here. It looks like let's check out to see if it is possible to be a five waves. First of all, let's say if you want to label this 1 2 3 for 5, I guess it's possible, but there is no divergence here at the peak, which is usually what you want to see in a five waves move, because the idea in the psychology of Elliott wave is that with five usually is a weak sort of last push on the upside, um, where it should be accompanied by a weak momentum. So the momentum should be showing a lower low instead of a higher high, like the momentum should be showing a lower high, instead of showing a higher high like what we see right here. So as a result, we are calling this rally not as a five waves, we are calling this as a three waves, and we're looking for a WXY structure here, right? And this one, look at this, also looks quite overlapping right now, and we're looking for the rally to sort of find resistance somewhere in the 100% extension area here, the WXY, and the area is going to be 4.3770 on the way up to 4.53. So this is the area where we can expect copper to fail, right? And shorter cycle, we could see a little bit more upside as long as we stay above this rising channel here. If we break below, then it could be even completed without reaching the target level, right? So we're looking for this area, approximately the ideal area where we could be ending the current rally, and then it can start to turn lower. Now zooming out a little bit, um, so basically if we take a look at the 4 hour, this is a 1, and now looking for a 2 right here. Now without really giving away all the labels here, right? I mean, you can check out the complete labels in our member area if you want. We have 14 days trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. But yeah, without giving all the labels, basically I think it's enough to understand that we're looking for the downside and this current rally to fail in this area here. Now, regardless of regarding the sort of overall idea here, the copper and all the other commodities are currently following the cycle of the US dollars, right? So it really all depends on whether you believe US dollar has been very strong in the past few weeks, and it's been sort of taking a breather right now, but it really depends on what you think, whether US dollar is finished or not. And we happen to think US dollar is not finished in their strength. And so as long as US dollar continues to go up again after, yeah, of course it's not going to be straight up in the US dollar, it's going to be up and down, just like what you see here. Commodities also has a reversal of some kind. We expect the reversal to reflect the movement to reflect more or less like the US dollars. And so if US dollars continue to go up, then uh, copper, gold, silver, and so on, all the commodities, with some exceptions like energy and so on, they should continue to go down as well. So we are looking for this area here for now to fail here in copper 4.37, and from here we can go down or at least pull back in three waves, right? So that's basically what we are looking at right now in copper, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.